I'm sure there's a better way to straighten out the arbor, but what I did was put it in my drill, and then with this piece of metal here, I turned on the drill and used my ball peen hammer as the drill rotated it to straighten out the arbor. And it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was. As you can see, if it was really wobbled out, you could tell when I sped up the drill. So now it's time to put this clock back together. So stand by. Since I had the movement out, I went ahead and got it in my cleaner. Took it apart, put it in my cleaner. But I just wanted to show you the dial. This thing is extremely heavy. Made by Warmink. There's a gear that fits on the minute arbor, and as it rotates every 24 hours, there's a pin on this gear that catches the moon dial every 24 hours. I don't know if you can see that moving or not. But different style moons on this. It's probably needs cleaned up. But like I said, this thing is extremely heavy. WUBA, Warmink, same company, they made really elaborate clocks and put a lot of details in their clocks, and so they're very sought after. The cam hole is worn out on this thing, so I had to ping around the hole. It's not preferred method, but I did it. And as you can see, the wire is grabbing the rack, and so the clock will stop chiming now. Now it's time to put this movement back into the case and go from there. Here I have it back together. If I can get all my other clocks in my house to stop chiming, I don't know if you're going to hear it that well. Anyway, I need to adjust the bell. But anyway, it's up and running. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. God bless.